Hey friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Become part of our home decor family. Okay guys, so in today's video, let's take a look at some luxury staircases. I have both some dual staircases as well as some single staircases. Now, unfortunately, in today's video, I don't really have anything to link from Amazon. It's kind of hard to link a staircase, so just enjoy the video and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and stay tuned till the end so you could see what my favorites were. Okay.
You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Thank you for watching And Then There Was Style, but if you want to see more, check out one of these 2 videos right here. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends and stay safe.